5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff.
Hi, and welcome to NORLab Business Solutions Brief Technology Updates. If you remember from our last session, we talked about Python and displayed a geometric shape based on a turtle instructional tutorial so that people can learn structured programming. Today, we're going to take a look at our second Python program that allows for a user interface, user experience, and a way to create an interactive program that will allow the user to change colors, lengths of the dimensions of the geometric shape, and some additional conditional logic. Here, we start our program with two things. One, we have a program that allows the user to interface with choices that they want to accomplish in their program. And two, we have a library or module that gives the program the ability to call on functions to perform certain algorithmic processes. We have a program here called turtle_shapes. So we've separated the window in order to close it. So let's take a look at how we're going to deal with that. I'm going to clear this console and we're going to run the program. Okay, it's going to open up a window and it's going to ask for what shape. And we're going to put in 5 for pentagon. Then the user experience, we let them know that that's what they picked. Then we're going to enter the shape, the color of the drawing. I'm going to say yellow. Okay, it takes that string, shape color is yellow, and we're going to enter the side lengths. And we're going to try 50. Okay. Okay, if you notice that it is counting the loop, and let's take a look at what it's doing in the window. It's creating a pentagon geometric shape, and it is moving the cursor over 10, and it is still continuing to draw that pentagon and do it 36 times. Okay. Remember, the for next loop starts on 0, so we only have a printout of 35 revolutions, but including 0, it's 36. So when you click on here, it goes away. So that is an example of using conditional logic, a loop, and user input for our program. That's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.